Yeah.
So talk to us about cleaning supplies. Some people are pretty fussy on cleaning supplies, some are not. But tell us about your strategy there. Help us appreciate that.
Yeah, so we don't require our clients to bring anything for us. So we have everything like the vacuum, mopping, dry mopping. We have all the equipment that we need. Unless there's a client who wants a specific floor cleaner or says, oh, you can't use this on this surface. Or,
Yeah,
we've even had clients who have sensitivities to certain smells or even allergies to something.
yeah.
And so we can be scent free, we can be, according to whatever their needs are. Um, when it comes to products, again, we believe like that we do want to keep people safe
Mm,
and but
mhm.
also use effective things. So we found that Norwex and Melaleuca are like the two best brands for those things. Um, so clean, for example, it doesn't actually have a scent. Everybody thinks that clean has a scent because
Mhm.
we've trained to think that, oh, this sort
Yeah,
of chemically smell is a clean smell, but that's not true. So when we're doing our training and things like that, we kind of train people about the feel. So like, what does grime feel like in your bathtub? And so as
yeah.
we're scrubbing it, you can
Mhm.
feel the surface change, right? Or when you wipe off a door handle, it's noticeably, you touch that door handle again and
Yeah,
you're like, wow, there's no grind to it. Like I can
yeah,
feel it and I can know that it's clean. And so that's kind of, how we prefer to and why we think our things are effective. We're not going based upon smell. We're going on like other senses like touch and
yeah,
feel and just overall and look, obviously.
yeah,
Yeah, so that's
yeah.
one of our main things.
We,
But yeah, again, if we're flexible, if people do like want to use a certain toilet bowl cleaner or something like
okay.
that, actually, that's the one thing that we don't provide is toilet bowl brushes. We
Yeah.
use the
Oh, yeah.
client's toilet bowl brushes, so that's
Oh,
the
well,
one
that's
thing
okay.
that
That's reasonable, right? I think
yeah.
that's reasonable, right? Everyone kind of has something they should,
But
right? But
again, like we've had people who need assistance in their homes, and we've like bought new ones for them, or we'll
yeah,
bring, like some people need that extra help, and so
that's
we're
good.
flexible when it comes to even supplies, let's say, and they need a restock, like we can help them with that. Or
Yeah,
let's say, like for myself, like I am a Norwex consultant, so people, let's say they really like the product and they want to have some of their own, they can even
yeah.
ask me, hey, can I buy some of this? And I can
Oh,
I can
yeah.
contact for that. So